Welcome back, Class 1, in third session of EVS, National Festivals. Children, in India, we celebrate a number of events that are of special importance to our nation. The most important of these are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti, which we have discussed in previous session. Apart from these, we also celebrate Teachers' Day and Children's Day in India. Let's discuss about Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year. This is also the birthday of India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Children, do you know who was Jawaharlal Nehru? Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was very fond of children. Hence, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru is also called as Chacha Nehru. Nationwide, this day is celebrated to shower love towards children. बच्चों, पूरे देश में बाल दिवस के दिन बच्चों के लिए नई नई योजनाएं बनाई जाती है. Schools celebrate Children's Day with great enthusiasm. सभी स्कूल्स में चिल्ड्रंस डे बहुत उत्साह से मनाया जाता है. Children, do you know why is Teachers' Day celebrated? Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. The birthday of the former president of our country, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a renowned teacher, is celebrated on this day. Renowned means famous. डॉक्टर राधा कृष्णन हमारे देश में बहुत ही फेमस टीचर थे. वी सेलिब्रेट टीचर्स डे टू शो आवर ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड रिस्पेक्ट फॉर आवर टीचर्स. ग्रैटिट्यूड मीन्स ऑनर. टीचर्स डे के दिन हमारे टीचर को हम मान सम्मान और आदर प्रकट करते हैं. A teacher is a friend and guide of our life who also imparts good values in us. Teachers take their best efforts to turn the students into responsible citizens. Teachers play a very important role in each one of our lives. Now, children, let's recall to check what we have learned. Which national festival do we celebrate on 15th August? Yes, Independence Day. Which national festival do we celebrate on 26th January? Yes, Republic Day. Which national festival do we celebrate on 2nd October? Yes, Gandhi Jayanti. Birthday of Gandhiji. Which festival do we celebrate on 14th November? I know this is your favorite festival, Children's Day. Which festival do we celebrate on 5th September? Yes, Teacher's Day. How many colors are there in our national flag? Yes, saffron, white, and green. Who is known as the father of the nation? Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. Who is known as Chacha Nehru? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru. Write the first line of our national anthem. Yes, Jan Gan Man. Now, children, this is your home assignment. Write national song in your notebook. Children, with this, we have completed our chapter. Hope you all have understood about our national festivals. Read the chapter to understand it properly. Take care. Thank you.